Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set administrator password on HONOR MagicBook. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. And once that's done, go to Security Setting category and you'll see Setup Administrator Password. You can see here that there are three types of password. The administrator password will be used to boot into BIOS. So if you want to open BIOS, you need to enter the administrator password. The post password will be asked every time you want to just turn on the laptop, and HDD user password will be asked whenever you want to boot into system from the HDD drive. So I'm gonna set up the administrator password. You just need to click on enter, then enter that password, then click on enter and re-enter it, then hit on enter, and now click on enter to set to OK. And now to save the changes, remember that you need to click on F10 key and enter to save and exit. Now let me show you as I boot into BIOS again. It'll ask me for the setup password, and if I don't boot into BIOS, just into system, then it'll not ask me for that. So let me just enter that password. And now, as we can see, it's entered. To change or remove the password, you just need to click on it. Then enter the old password first. Then if you want to change it, enter the new one. If you don't, if you want to disable the password, just leave these two fields blank. Click on enter, enter, and remember to click on F10 again. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.